Before connecting the card terminal to the cash register, we need to ensure that the terminal is connected to a network. Start by pressing the screen to wake the terminal. The password for the screen lock is 4315. Once the screen lock is disabled, press Close App and then proceed to Settings. To enter settings, use the code PAX9876 at. If a newer software, the code is numbers only 9876. When in settings, press Wi-Fi. Find your network in the list and connect. If there are any saved networks on the terminal, it's a good idea to forget the ones that should not be used to prevent the terminal from switching networks during operation. Once the network is connected, return to the desktop and start the Switch.io Pay app. Here you will see the terminal ID, authorization server, and GSA server. In the cash register, go to the admin menu, select Integrations, and then Payment Terminal. On the Northmill Card Payment tab, fill in the IP address from the GSA server on the terminal. Note that you only need to fill in the digits before the colon, as the port is already pre-filled in the cash register. Enter the password Northmill with a large N. Check the box for Activate Integration and press Save in the lower right corner. The cash register will now verify the connection with the card terminal. Once the terminal ID appears in the cash register, everything is set, and you can now use your card terminal.